In this segment, let us see clear and structured speaking skills for engineers. Clear and structured speaking is a critical professional skill for engineers. Technical expertise alone is not sufficient in modern engineering roles. Engineers are expected to explain complex ideas, present project updates, justify technical decisions, and collaborate with multidisciplinary teams. The ability to speak clearly and in a well organized manner ensures that technical information is understood accurately and acted upon effectively. This session focuses on developing structured speaking skills that enable engineers to communicate with confidence, precision, and professional clarity. Why clear and structured speaking matters for engineers? Engineering communication often involves complex data, technical terminology, and logical reasoning. Without structure, even correct information can become confusing or misleading. Clear and structured speaking helps engineers to communicate ideas logically and efficiently, reduce misunderstandings and errors, gain credibility with managers, clients, and stakeholders, participate effectively in meetings, presentations, and reviews, support decision making with well organized explanations. In professional environments, clarity is not optional, it is essential for safety, quality, and collaboration. What are the key elements of clear speaking? Clear speaking refers to how ideas are delivered verbally. The essential elements include simple and precise language, avoid unnecessary jargon unless the audience is technically aligned, correct pace, speak neither too fast nor too slowly, allowing listeners to process information. Proper pronunciation and articulation. Ensure technical terms are pronounced correctly. Consistent tone and volume. Maintain a professional, confident voice without monotony or hesitation. Clear speaking ensures that the message is understandable even when discussing complex engineering concepts. What is the importance of structured speaking? Structured speaking refers to how information is organized. A well structured explanation allows listeners to follow the speaker's thought process. Engineers should organize speech logically, moving from one point to the next in a predictable and professional manner. Structured speaking improves audience compression, save time in professional discussions, highlights key technical points, demonstrates analytical thinking. What is the standard structure of for professional speaking? Engineers should follow simple and effective structure when speaking in professional contexts. Opening. Begin by clearly stating the purpose of communication. What is the topic? Why is it important? What will be discussed? For example, today I will explain the design approach used in this project, the challenges faced, and the final outcome. Next comes the body. Present the information in a logical sequence. Break content into clear points or steps. Use transition to connect ideas. Support explanations with data, example, or reasoning. Each point should address one idea at a time to avoid overload. Finally, closing. During the closing segment, summarize the key points and state the conclusion or next action. Reinforce the main message, clarify decisions or recommendation, invite questions or discussion. In summary, the proposed solution meets performance requirements and be implemented within the given timeline. Adapting structure to the audience. Engineers must adjust their speaking structure based on the audience. For example, technical audience require detailed explanation and data. Non-technical audience require simplified language and high-level summaries. Management prefers concise, result-oriented communication. Understanding the audience ensures that the structure supports clarity rather than complexity. Common speaking challenges faced by engineers. Some frequent challenges include overloading speech with technical details, speaking without a clear consequence, using complex terminology unnecessarily, assuming the audience has the same technical background. Awareness of these challenges is the first step toward improving structured speaking. Let's see some practical techniques to improve structured speaking. Engineers can improve their speaking skill by planning key points before speaking, using outlines or bullet structure mentally, practicing explanations loud, recording and reviewing practice sessions, and also seeking feedback from peers or mentors. Consistent practice leads to noticeable improvement in clarity and confidence. In conclusion, clear and structured speaking is a professional competency that directly impacts an engineer's effectiveness and career growth. By organizing thoughts logically, using clear language, and adapting communication to the audience, engineers can convey complex ideas with confidence and professionalism. Developing this skill strengthens collaboration, improves leadership potential, and enhances overall professional credibility. Thank you.